The Canon EOS R9 is quickly emerging as one of the most talked about APS-C mirrorless cameras of the year, generating excitement across photography and videography communities worldwide. Building on the foundation of the Canon EOS R7, the R9 promises to take performance and versatility to an entirely new level. Early rumors indicate that Canon is targeting both photographers and hybrid shooters who demand professional-grade features in a compact, lightweight body. With its anticipated specifications, the EOS R9 could redefine what creators expect from an APS-C system, offering a combination of speed, image quality, and advanced video capabilities that few cameras in its class can match. One of the most compelling rumored features of the Canon EOS R9 is its video capability. Reports suggest the camera could record 4K at 120 frames per second without crop, a remarkable specification for an APS-C mirrorless camera. Such a feature would allow videographers to capture ultra-smooth slow-motion footage directly in camera, opening creative possibilities for action, sports, and cinematic projects. There is also speculation about limited 8K recording, likely with restrictions on duration or bitrate to manage heat, positioning the R9 as a powerful hybrid tool that rivals both APS-C competitors and some entry-level full-frame cameras. If these leaks hold true, the EOS R9 could redefine expectations for a mid-sized mirrorless system. From a construction perspective, the Canon EOS R9 appears to combine durability with portability. Rumors point to a magnesium alloy frame reinforced with polycarbonate components, resulting in a rugged yet manageable body. Early reports also indicate a deeper, more contoured grip than the R7, which would improve comfort during long shooting sessions or when using heavy telephoto lenses. Weather sealing is expected to be on par with Canon's higher-end mirrorless offerings, ensuring reliability in rain, dust, or other harsh environments. This focus on both ergonomics and protection suggests that the EOS R9 is designed with professional users in mind. The usability improvements on the R9 are another area where Canon appears to be aiming high. The camera is expected to feature a fully articulating 3.2-inch touchscreen, providing flexibility for vloggers, hybrid shooters, and street photographers. Leaks also suggest an electronic viewfinder with a resolution possibly exceeding 3.6 million dots, offering a bright and detailed framing experience. Dual card slots, including one SD UHS-2 and one CF Express, are rumored to be included, giving photographers the option of simultaneous recording for backup or flexible workflow setups. Connectivity is also expected to be advanced, with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 facilitating faster tethering, remote operation, and file transfers, features that professionals have long requested. At the core of the Canon EOS R9 is expected to be a brand new stacked APS-C sensor, with leaked reports placing its resolution between 32 and 40 megapixels. This would mark a significant increase over the R7's 32.5 megapixels, providing sharper images and greater detail retention. The stacked sensor architecture promises faster readout speeds, which can reduce rolling shutter and enable higher burst rates with minimal distortion. Additionally, improvements in dynamic range and low-light performance are anticipated, ensuring that the EOS R9 can perform well in a wide array of shooting conditions, from dim interiors to fast-paced outdoor environments. Processing power is another area where the Canon EOS 9 South African Rand is rumored to excel. Equipped with Canon's latest digic processor, the camera is expected to deliver smoother tonal gradations, more accurate color reproduction, and better highlight management. These improvements will benefit both photographers and videographers, allowing for consistent and reliable results across challenging lighting situations. The autofocus system is expected to see significant upgrades as well. Early leaks point to dual-pixel CMOS AF2 or even a potential AF3 system, providing faster and more precise focus tracking. Coverage is rumored to span nearly the entire frame, with advanced face and eye detection for humans, animals, and even vehicles. This level of precision is crucial for wildlife, sports, and action photography, where speed and accuracy can determine the success of a shot. In addition to improved autofocus, AI-driven predictive tracking could help the Canon EOS R9 anticipate subject movement more reliably than previous models. Combined with in-body image stabilization reportedly capable of up to 8 stops of correction, along with compatible optically stabilized lenses, the R9 could significantly expand handheld shooting options. This combination would allow creators to work confidently in low light or while tracking moving subjects without the need for tripods or gimbals, offering a flexibility that professional shooters highly value. Performance is expected to be one of the R9's strongest selling points. Rumors suggest that the camera could reach continuous shooting speeds of up to 30 frames per second, a substantial increase over the R7. The advanced processing pipeline and larger buffer would allow photographers to maintain high-speed burst shooting without slowdown, essential for sports, wildlife, and aviation photography. Coupled with high-resolution capabilities, the EOS R9 could capture fleeting moments with remarkable detail and accuracy, meeting the demands of professional shooters who rely on precision timing. The Canon EOS R9's video functionality may be equally impressive. Alongside 4K 120 FPS recording, the camera could feature Canon Log 3, 10-bit 4:2:2 internal recording, and full HDMI output for external recorders, enabling a professional-grade workflow for filmmakers. Thermal management appears to be a consideration, with reports suggesting improved heat dissipation through enhanced passive cooling or firmware-based regulation, ensuring reliable performance during extended recording sessions. This combination of still and video capabilities positions the R9 as a true hybrid camera, suitable for creators who demand versatility without sacrificing quality. Ergonomics and practical usability are also expected to be a focus for the EOS R9. The deeper grip, refined body contours, and fully articulating screen are likely to improve comfort and framing flexibility, particularly for vlogging, wildlife, or sports photography. The inclusion of dual card slots ensures redundancy and workflow flexibility, allowing simultaneous recording to multiple formats or cards. Connectivity upgrades like Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth 5.2 will enhance tethered shooting, remote control, and data transfer, streamlining workflows for studio and field work alike. Pricing and release timing are important factors shaping interest in the Canon EOS R9. Leaks suggest a potential launch in late 2025, possibly during the fourth quarter, with a body-only price of around $1,799. While higher than the R7, the additional features, sensor upgrades, and performance improvements are expected to justify the price increase. For professional shooters, hybrid creators, and enthusiasts seeking high-speed APS-C performance, the EOS R9 could offer excellent value. More than just an R7 successor, the Canon EOS R9 appears designed to set a new standard for APS-C mirrorless cameras. Its combination of a stacked high-resolution sensor, rapid burst shooting, advanced autofocus, in-body stabilization, and professional-level video capabilities positions it as a versatile tool for photographers and videographers alike. Whether capturing high-speed wildlife action, sports, or cinematic video, the R9 promises to deliver performance that rivals larger full-frame systems while maintaining the portability of an APS-C body. In summary, the Canon EOS 9 South African Rand is shaping up to be much more than an incremental upgrade to the R7. With its rumored stacked APS-C sensor, faster burst rates, advanced autofocus, in-body stabilization, 4K 120 video, and potential 8K recording, the R9 could set new benchmarks in the APS-C mirrorless segment. Ergonomic improvements, dual card slots, enhanced connectivity, and professional-grade video support further reinforce its potential as a highly versatile tool for both photographers and filmmakers. Expected to launch in late 2025 at a rumored $1,799, the Canon EOS R9 could very well become the APS-C camera of choice for hybrid creators, offering a balance of portability, performance, and professional capabilities that has rarely been seen in this class.